Not many things get me angry, but this really has. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and this week I received an email from a company called ThiEye. I don't know how you pronounce that exactly, but they basically asked me if I was interested in reviewing their little drone called the Dr.x. Now, normally that's quite innocent. We get emails almost every other day from manufacturers and retailers asking us if we want to review their products, and they're normally very sincere and honest. However, the reply that we got from this company after showing an interest really wound us up. In their reply that they sent almost immediately, they then asked us to buy one on Amazon, which is fine. We've done that before, and the retailers send you an immediate refund before you even film the review, so at least then you know it's sincere. However, in their reply, stated that they'll only give a refund after we leave a 5-star review and send them a screenshot to prove it. Now, considering that this drone costs £80 or over $100, there's not a chance that we would risk spending that much money on a drone that might be rubbish. We would only get our refund if we left them a 5-star Amazon review, and there isn't a chance that as a reviewer we would be doing that. Such practices are essentially fraud, and we would never mislead our viewers by saying a product is good when actually it's not, simply because we want to get the money back that we've paid for the drone. So the only advice I have is when you're watching reviews of a product, please be very careful when you consider whether that reviewer is being honest. If they've got an ulterior motive to get their money back, then the likelihood is that they're going to say the product is brilliant. If we actually take a closer look at this product, it turns out that actually it's based on Kudrone. Now, we wrote about Kudrone last year, stating that that would be a terrible drone. It was a Kickstarter that raised $1.4 million, and me and many others reported it as just being ridiculously unviable. Once Kudrone actually shipped out, many backers complained that it just didn't work, it flew away, and it just didn't do as was committed in the campaign. If you compare the weight of Kudrone with Dr.x, they are exactly the same weight, and the baseline specification is the same, as well as even the app. So essentially, this company, ThiEye, or however you pronounce it, are selling this product based on a failed product from a Kickstarter. And no matter how good that product might be now, it's still based on the failed campaign that cost backers $1.4 million to fund. ThiEye, in my opinion, absolutely lack morals and ethics, and I will never review products from manufacturers like that. Comment below with your thoughts on this scam, give this video a thumbs up, and please share it as well to ensure that people watching reviews online only trust the reviews from real reviewers. Thanks very much for watching.